Here's our room in Vilamoura. It's a big one. It's a big one, Brooke. Nice little kitchen here with the appliances. Let's go. Nice. Safe. Bathroom's big too. Nice. Balconies with a sea view in the background. It's a beautiful day. Let's enjoy ourselves. All right, here we go. Our first walk around Vilamoura. As you can see, trying to get a tan whilst doing so.
Boiling.
So this is all the beach area. We're going to come back tomorrow and have a beach day, so we'll show you a bit more tomorrow. For now, we're heading towards the marina.
This is our first meal here in Vilamoura.
So this is €10 per person.
€10 for burger, chips and
A
pint or wine or...
Yeah. We've got some friends as well.
We've got some friends.
Look at the fish. Yeah, not fate. Alright guys, so we've just had our food and we found a Roman ruins here in Vilamoura. So before we check it out, €4 each. Let's go and see.
Cold water pool from the Noble House private bathing complex. So that used to be a pool. That's very little. Kiln for the heating of warm water pool. The kiln heat circulated in the room and was suspended with arches or columns under a tank, resulting in heat of water passing through the floor. Large outdoor cold pool adjoining the physical exercise area. The structure was included in the baths complex and was used for all local social classes.
There's salt in baths.
For fish, fabrication of fish.
Funeral monument in a temple shape. You can see the steps were here. And there was the building. So that there was the funeral chamber where they would burn the deceased. And here we have the main entrance. That's crazy. Right then guys, we've just come back to the hotel room after a nice little walk around the marina. We also visited the Roman ruins they have here. And if you look across the road from us, there's Casino Vilamoura. So I don't think we're going to be checking that place out. We're going to try and keep our money and enjoy some excursions. But yeah, we're going to get ready right now, then head off back to the marina, look for a nice restaurant and enjoy some food.
The following day.
Good morning everyone from a sunny Vilamoura. We just had a lovely English breakfast out on the marina over there. Now we're going to spend some time on the beach and see if we can get a nice tan. After enjoying a beautiful day at the beach, we decided to get ready, head back to the marina, get some food, watch some football before deciding what excursion to do the next day.
So guys, we've decided to go on a little boat trip today. Hopefully we get to see some dolphins.
À gauche, la sous-marine.
Come back from our boat trip. all across the Algarve, into the caves. Unfortunately, we did not get to see any dolphins.
Which is sad. I was hoping we'd see some on the way back.
They told us it was a 50-50 chance, but in the end, no dolphins, no luck. So yeah, we just got back here now. It's time for us to get ready and head off back out. But for the vlog, that's it. That's our goodbyes. We've enjoyed our time here in Vilamoura, and I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching us. Please subscribe, drop your comments down below, and hit that like button.